Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook on mobile. So first step you need to do is to open your Facebook. Click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you need to click on settings. Once you are here, you simply need to click on see more in account center, and then you simply need to click on this arrow icon here. So this window will open and now you need to select your Facebook account. So I'm going to select this one, click on name, and from here you can easily change your name. So let's suppose I want this one, then you simply need to click on save. Once you click on that, your Facebook name will be updated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.